Hey guys, this is Cherry from QMF. Today, I'm super excited to show you something totally rad. The new ZD series subwoofer from QMF. This is not merely an ordinary subwoofer rider. It is formidable beast. Okay, just listen to that song. One can absolutely hear the quality of its construction. It features an extremely sturdy aluminum frame, and the basket for the coil is certified from CNC machine aerospace grade aluminum. It is 18% lighter than steel, 2.5 times tougher. This product remains cool even when upright and maximum powers. This implies lives heat generation, a longer service life, and a more enjoyable experience for you. Take a look at this. The core of the power a 160mm Newton magnet, boxing 2.3 times the magnet's force compared to regular magnets. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more answer update from QMF. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.